Hello, welcome to Yemizkitchen. This is Yemi from Yemizkitchen again. Today I am doing my take on my macaroni and cheese. For my family today I'm cooking macaroni and cheese. The ingredients you're going to need for the macaroni and cheese is elbow macaroni, which is this like 16 ounces, a cup of flour. These are optional. I'm using black pepper, salt, a pinch of salt, thyme, onion powder, Parmesan cheese. You don't have to use that. You can use your cheddar cheese. Some people use milk. I'm going to use heavy whipping cream, butter. My children like American cheese, so they like to see this. So I'm putting it there, and some Enderman cheese. So you can use a lot of cheese, but a lot of people use the cheddar, both the mild and the sharp cheddar. So, but I'm going to use the mild cheddar, and some people use the white. These are optional, but this is my own, what I want to do. So let's start with the roux. We are going to go to the stove while we do the roux. Okay, I have a stick of butter on the stove, on the pan. I have my 1 cup of flour. You want to whisk it fast. Oh. Cook it. Just brown a little bit. Then put your heavy cream in it. Either cold water or milk or heavy cream. I'm using my heavy cream. I use maybe half a cup of heavy cream. With that, I'm going to cook this a little bit. I saw that some people, when I was watching this, some people put tomato paste in theirs for color. That is really nice. So from here, I put the water and the macaroni. So I've added the cheese. I'm going to wait for it to melt. Then I put the macaroni. I've already parboiled macaroni. You don't have to parboil. You can add water, then put the macaroni in the elbow. I've already parboiled my macaroni. I'm using that 16 ounces, which is 1 pound of it. I parboiled it. You have to, and I'm not making too much. My roux is not too big, so I'm going to put it in it and I season. Okay, I put the macaroni in it. I'm going to put, I like pepper, so I'm putting a teaspoon of cayenne pepper into it. You on your taste. Just go the way you like it. All the cheeses are already in the roux. A little of black pepper. It's up to you, whatever you want. Teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of thyme, pinch of salt. Okay, I'm gonna pour that in for you, and we'll leave it on the stove to cook for like 5 minutes, and bam, we're done. This is my magic macaroni and cheese. Oh God, this is heaven. My kids will finish this today. They take a bowl, then come back for another bowl, then for another bowl, for another bowl. Oh my God. See how yummy this is and rich. Okay, we're gonna leave this for another 5 minutes. Then we serve. I'm gonna crank up the stove. See how rich that is. Yummy to the tummy. This is nice, beautiful. This is I roll my macaroni and cheese for my children. And sometimes, if I have some bacon bits, I put the bacon bits into it, and they love it. But I'm out of bacon bits today. So let's wait for 5 minutes. So we're finished with the macaroni and cheese. Let me serve my children and let's go to the table. It came out good, it's smelling nice. It's very rich and creamy. They don't like it dry. They don't want breadcrumbs, they just want it like this. So let's serve this. So I finally finished the macaroni and cheese, my own take on it. I'm serving it two ways. I'm serving with cheese on it, and I'm serving with just a little bit of sprinkle of parsley on it. My family doesn't like crumbs, breadcrumbs on it, so we like it almost milky and smooth like that. So if you've enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, follow, press the notification bell, and share. Interact with us. We really appreciate you to give us a take on how you cook your macaroni and cheese. And if you try this recipe, take a picture of it and tag it on my social media. Love, 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 love you. Thank you for watching my macaroni and cheese cooking. Love you. Have a nice day. Don't forget in Yemizkitchen, happiness is a choice. Choose to be happy. Be happy.